Hi all, welcome back. In this episode, let us see how to work with the Google Cloud platforms. There are several ways, right? There are several ways to interact with the Google Cloud platforms. It's some of the things are personal preference, some of the things are it's mandatory. Okay, so that's how there are three ways. Let me close. Okay, no problem. Okay, so primarily there are three ways. One is GUI based, another one is programmatically, and third one is command prompt. Okay, so for the real time production, the real project or production systems, okay, we will go with programmatically. That is one of the terraforms. Okay, IOC. Okay, sorry. Okay, so in the production use cases, we will go use terraforms, or sometimes some people prefer a client library. Okay, so if you have a couple of enough resources with any other programming language, Java, Python, Go language, okay, or Ruby, something like that, they can use the client library to interact with the Google Cloud platform. Okay, the third one is Cloud API and Explorer. Okay, so in the sense what are the API has been enabled and disabled these stuffs. Okay, so once enabled, you can use those API to write the program. Okay, so these are the three ways to work with the programmatically, but the easiest and preferred way is Terraform. Using Terraforms, we can easily create a resource, so we don't need to do all the low level details. If it is programmatically, that means if you are going with the client library, there will be separate learning curve in fact. Okay, separate learning curve in fact, and you have to identify what are the parameter has to be passed and what are the return values, and the response JSON structure, everything you have to be understand to work with the code, right? When compared to the client library, that's why Terraform is very easy. Okay, so here we are going to declare what I need, not going to tell about how it has to be created. Okay, that is what. So programmatically is one way. In a real project, especially in a production project, we will go with the Terraform or client library. Okay, to start beginning. Okay, to start the beginning, there are couple of ways. You can use mobile app, at least start resources, pause something. So Google mobile app is not capability to control or to create all type of resources. It is minimal setup. It is minimal facilities only available. Then web console, on day to day, we will use a web console to at least verify. Even though if I'm using Terraform to create the resources, whether it has been created or not, to verify I will go with the web console. Okay, so in the web console, even what is the other information, any new features that primarily implemented in the API level. Okay, next only it will be implemented in the web console. So if you want to know all the up-to-date features, there is only one way. We have to go with the programmatically, especially using client library. Okay, otherwise you can use the web console. So it's day to day we will be using for verification, for cross-checking, or to explain someone. So the web console will be easy. Okay, the other thing is Cloud Shell editors. Cloud Shell editor is open source version of VS Code. Okay, it's going to run in the browser. Okay, so you can start very easily in the Google Cloud itself, because the Cloud Shell comes with the 5 GB data. 5 GB storage. Okay, and almost 50 hours per month or 30 days running times. Okay, that is what Cloud Shell editor. Here G Cloud, kubectl, Docker, Terraform and others, BQ, everything installed automatically. It is the 5 GB data source they are giving. WebView available. Okay, so let's say if you are running any web application, you can use WebView to check or to test. Okay, it's available as a web app. Okay, it is web based terminals and editor both. it's both are available. One is terminal, another one is web-based editors. It's a ephemeral mode. Okay, that it is, I mean, kind of safe mode, I would say. Okay, in Microsoft, if the Outlook, there are some of the times, if there is an issue, it will ask like, can we start in safe mode, something like that. Okay, similarly ephemeral mode, nothing will be saved, nothing, but once you stop, everything gone. Okay, here, okay, we can do the customization using .profile file. It is there. Okay, even Terraform creations, everything is easy. So I am using Cloud Shell Editor every day. Even this itself Cloud Shell Editor. This itself Cloud Shell Editor. This is whatever you are seeing here. This itself Cloud Shell Editor. Okay, it's a web-based editors. Okay, that is what GUI based. Okay, now I will go with the command prompt. Okay, command prompt G-Cloud comes in the form of Cloud SDK. Okay, once you install the Cloud SDK, you will get the G-Cloud command utility, BQ command utility. Then GS util is going to be deprecated, I believe. Okay, so using this command, whatever you want, you can access. Okay, so these are. Then one more thing I want to show here. I have collected all the sample commands. Commands. Okay, here you can see commands used to create the app engine. Here you can see variety of commands which I used for learning or for the production purpose. Okay, so here you can see all the commands which I used to create the packet, delete the packet, list the packet, everything. Okay, similarly similar function. So you can see what are the commands, G-Cloud function commands to create function, deploy the function or delete the function. Similarly you can see the sample commands. Actually this is not sample commands. I used these commands to understand the cloud. Okay, these are the commands available. So similarly you can also create a set of files which has different commands, so it will be useful for your quick reference something. Okay, that is what Cloud SDK. So there are three ways: command line based, GUI based, then programmatically. Actually in production case we will go for programmatically only, but learning or understanding or doing POC purpose, that times we may go stick to the GUI based, or if they need more, then we go for the command line interface. Thank you. Thanks for watching.